What's going on, YouTubers and YouTubettes? Check it out. I got another little review for you. I told you earlier this morning that I was going to be doing my wife's head lenses with this Rust-Oleum new white new rather. How you doing? Oh, don't forget, man. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell at the bottom right-hand corner so you can get all the feed that I have for you. So they work pretty good on my 14 right there, Ford. So that's her car. So let's get it popping. All right. So one thing before we get it popping. One thing, it comes with bada bing, bada bang, bada bang, bada bing. It's microfiber. And then we're gonna get it in. All right. So first off, yes, Lord. It says make sure your head lenses are wet. Okay. So we're gonna do that. Now let me know what y'all think at the end too. Make sure they're wet, right? Take the polishing pad. You got a green pad and a polishing pad. This is the polishing pad. Take the polishing pad. Make sure it's always wet though. And it's okay if it's brown because it's just taking the oxidation off. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna buff that thing. Like my name was Warren Buffett. Yes, Lord. Okay, there it is. Yes, Lord. We'll try to take this oxidation off this thing today, baby. Oh, Lord. I need a cameraman. Alright. There it is, baby. Alright, so we're going to hook that up right there. Alright, so there it is, baby. We're going to get it in. Damn, nigga, this is a workout for today. Yes, Lord. I'm going to have to switch hands on y'all boys. Man, this thing gliding real smooth. Like, you can put your finger there to actually feel and see if it's still fairly rough. And we're gonna go back in that buffing motion. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, Lord. Of course, I would, if I was doing this without, I'm a bad cameraman. If I was doing this without, holding this camera, I'd be wetting at the same time. So, all right. So we're gonna continue doing what we do. Make sure all this oxidation is off. Like I said, keep a lead finger there so you can keep the feeling, feel if it's smooth, if it's retro. You know what I'm saying? Spread that thing down again. Got a little line right there, as y'all can kind of see. So we're gonna attempt to get that thing, and there it is. They said get it, we gonna got it, So there it is. Like I said, keep that lead finger there. Yes, Lord. Yeah, look at this thing from all angles as well. Just don't get out here just thinking you got it, because that don't mean you got it. Make sure you get your corners and stuff like that. I'm sorry about this video, y'all. I'm new at this. Let me know my do's and don'ts on this thing. Oh, Lord, my children. There it is. All right. Let's blow it down again and see what we got. I'm only gonna do one headlight and show you before and after. We're gonna go all the way through this thing together. Try not to rub your paint. Hell, I should have probably put. That's why you kind of want to leave finger out there too. So, you know, when you're going around here, so you won't hit that paint. You know. So, and you can feel it. Like I stated earlier, you can feel it. God damn, boy, I should have let a buffer do this. Got a little drill on this thing or something. Okay. Yes, Lord. I know y'all don't really want to watch a video like this. But please like and subscribe if you hadn't subscribed to the channel already. Hit that notification bell at the bottom right hand side. Yes, Lord. You know. There it is. We getting in that thing now. Oh, Lord, I got a low battery signal. Yeah, y'all, I'm using iPhone XS. I know y'all probably got that new stuff. I'm trying to get that so I can afford that new stuff. Yes, Lord. All right. So, I feel like that's pretty good right there. And then what you're supposed to do, supposed to dry it off with your microfiber rag. Dry it off. Or just wipe all the soot and stuff off the, you know, the lens or whatever. And we'll get right back to it. If you feel like you didn't get all of it, then hit it again. And I feel like I may need to hit that thing again. Right up in here. I need to do some more work back here. Because see, that's like a coating that's cracking. You know? So, yeah, you can tell the coating right there. I don't know if y'all can see on this lens or not. Let me back up. Yeah, so, yeah. Look like it needs a little bit more work. Oh, Lord. Yeah, right up in here, I know. So, whew, Lord, got me breathing hard. So we're gonna attack it once more. Put a little bit more pressure down. And to me, it doesn't matter if you go in circles or not. You know, some people rather go in circles, some people rather not. To me, it doesn't matter, you know. We just trying to get them things looking back as righteous as you know, as possible. See, I got that pressure putting on it. I had to apply some pressure. Yes. Oh. Whew. Jesus, y'all ain't gonna be wanting to watch this video. But hey, I don't have no editing skills yet, so forgive me for that. But we're gonna get in there though. As you can hear it as well. When you don't hear it no more, I think you're doing pretty good. You can feel it. Shoot. It was gonna be a long vitriol. promise y'all the next video will be better. Right up in here. All right, so I'm gonna drop that thing. Ooh, sweet Jesus. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with that gray side real quick. That's to clean everything up that I didn't hit. And I kind of step by step, day by day, you know.